Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. Sorry it's been a couple days since I uploaded a video, but I just got a brand new craft table set up in my studio here, so this will be my first painting on my new table and I'm loving it. It's got shelves underneath so I can put my paintings down there to dry and still be able to paint up top. So I'm looking forward to it. And hopefully the lighting's a little bit better in here too. You'll have to let me know what you think. Alright, I'm going to do a bloom. And I've got my Lazy Susan upside down on top of my canvas for a reason, because I've had a few people ask, how do you keep your canvas from sliding off that spinner when you spin it so hard? So I'm just going to show you quickly what I do. Before I get started, I'll tell you about the colors. I've got, not Dioxazine Purple, I've got Constellation from this little piggy pigment. I'm going to be using Boom Gels, which this one is Pearlescent Watermelon. And this one is Lily Pilly Pink. Sorry, I'll show them to the side camera as well. So those are the colors I'm going to do. My two cell activators I'm going to use. Both have a little bit of Aussie Floetrol in there to give it a little boost for cells. And one is my Amsterdam Light Rose and Payne's Gray. So those are my two cell activators. And my good old house paint right out of the can. So that's what we're going to be doing. So let me just quickly put my pins where I put them on my canvas so that it doesn't go flying off as I spin it. I just put them in the corners roughly so that I have a little bit of room to move my canvas off of here if I need to, but it's roughly in the corners. I just press my pins down and away we go. Alrighty. And I hope everybody's having a great weekend, end of the weekend for us. Tomorrow's Monday here in Canada. We've had some beautiful weather. Unfortunately, the interior has got a lot of forest fires, so my heart goes out to everybody that's been evacuated. I hope everybody comes out of this with everything intact still. Okay, so there we go. Now you have it. My canvas can come off easy enough, but it will not fly off this as I spin it. So I hope that little tip helps you. All right, let's do this. White paint going down. Okay, hon, hit some music. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining me. And please remember, hit subscribe if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much, you guys. All the thumbs up. All of the wonderful comments, they mean the world to me. Enjoy.
It tastes bitter, like secondhand smoke, like a crowded party, or a party town joke. Then I accept forgiveness, and do I carry it around? Excuses weigh me to the ground. Stained glass colors, communion with strangers, blood in a glass, but it was wine to me. Oh, how we colors, sisters and brothers, drinking wine in a glass, but it was blood to me. it's a raining day. Can't see the yellow lines anymore. The next exit has a church, then I know what I'm praying for. Set me free from the chains on my hands and feet I wear. It's like lusting for a woman who only wants a millionaire. She said, you know me, you can't find me at the halfway cone by the open phone. I'm a lover, not a runner, so I think I'll let you kiss me once. She said, you know me, you can't find me at the halfway cone by the open phone. I'm a lover, not a runner, so I think I'll let you kiss me once. Yeah, it's 2:45 by the time I hit the hotel. Keys on the floor, falling deep into the cheap smell of 409 and knockoff pipe. Phone starts to ring, but it's all in my mind. She said, you know me, you can't find me at the halfway cone by the open phone. I'm a lover, not a runner, so I think I'll let you kiss me once. She said, you know me, you can't find me at the halfway cone by the open phone. I'm a lover, not a runner, so I think I'll let you kiss me once. It was only a dream. It was all just a dream. It was only a dream, as real as it seemed. Just a dream. It was only a dream. It was all just a dream, as real as it seems. She said, you know me, you can't find me at the halfway cone by the open phone. I'm a lover, not a runner, so I think I'll let you kiss me once. She said, you know me, you can't find me at the halfway cone by the open phone. I'm a lover, not a runner, so I think I'll let you kiss me once.
Come, baby, let the song dance within inside your soul. I ain't trying to change your mind, just feeling like you already know. You're a flawless melody, an octave higher than my breath. I can get you out my mind even when I ain't got nothing left. There ain't no one keeping time. There ain't nothing on the line. Just a foolish heart's desire. Oh, Let the song inside your soul, baby, come and take my heart. Let your spirit lose control, baby, come and take my heart. Let the song inside your soul.